You guys are going to love this story. When Clay and I first got together, I wanted to show him that I would be a good wife and all that stuff. So I was shopping, and I don't know if I don't think we were married yet. And I went out and I bought a $60 to $80 goose to cook for Christmas. Like, it was expensive. I can't remember how much it was because I thought, I wanted to show him what a good cook I would be, and I thought, ooh, a goose for Christmas. Well, Clay put up with a lot when we first got together. Some of the stories are just funny because I was the city girl calling takeout to home and stuff like that, or at my job, and I worked all the time because I was just in a really bad marriage. So anyway, here's and also just so you know, guys, I was filed for divorce and everything um, when before I even met Clay. My ex-husband was cheating on me and had girlfriends and stuff. But anyway, getting back to my story. So I went out and bought this goose, and then my mom was there, I was there, and I was cooking this goose. This goose was so tough, we couldn't even eat it. We gave it to the dog, and the dog wouldn't even eat it because it was so tough. Fortunately for me, because Clay looked at it like, Ruthie, you know what? That's an old goose, and the meat is tough. And he said, Ruthie, why don't you go back to the store and tell the manager? So I talked to the manager on the phone, and he was really sweet, and he gave me my money back. He's probably called the place and said those goose are bad, but who knows? Clay said it could have been on the shelf for 5 years. He didn't know, but anyway, so I got my money back and bought like a whole cart full of groceries. But it was funny because the goose was so tough, and of course, out in the country, they'll go out and have a goose, and they would never pay $80 because they raise it and it would cost them a lot less. They probably buy it in an auction or something. But anyway, I think that story's awful. Clay was probably laughing. Well, not laughing. He's probably horrified when he heard how much I paid for it. Like I said, it was like at least 60. It might have even been 80. I can't remember, but it was a lot of money for goose because I wanted to have it for Christmas. So the moral of the story is, think twice before you buy goose for Christmas, because you don't know how long it's been there. But I don't know. That's just make sure you know it's fresh. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.